Okay, it's Brian doing another video on this. I had these really cool, they're made by STEM Educational. They are a drone that you put together with Legos, kind of like. So you put, here are the motors, little motors, okay? And it all has a kit. It comes in a kit. Here's the little components, other parts to it, the base basically. Then you have your full function remote. Here's your control, your battery, everything. So you're putting it together, all right, as a drone. Here's the protective shield. Shows you all the instructions. Plus, you're using it with your, you can use, it's first person. So you can be flying and send it right to your phone. Okay, Wi-Fi, it's first person view. Okay, that's what it's called, first person view. It's item number 888805, STEM Educational. I've got 3 different colors. They're really kind of cool. They're only $49.99. Normally they're like $89. But anyways, these are really cool. They're brand new. And I wanted to do a video on them because you kind of like put them together here. I want to look here on the bottom. See, these are all the components that go to them. So you have your, these are the motors that you then connect to this unit, where then you connect via the Lego, because you're building the entire structure out of Lego. So if it crashes, you just snap it back together again. That's what's really cool about it. So it's the STEM Educational Wi-Fi P or FPV BrickFlyer. They're called BrickFlyers, right there, BrickFlyers. So get one, have fun with it, put it together, fly it, make videos and everything, and have a lot of fun. $49.99 on my eBay site. Pro Tinker is my store. Have fun.